Kasado ka na yung Sunday, yung
Kasado?
kabisado.
Kabisado.
Kabisado?
Opo.
Kabisado ko yung Sunday. Sunday, Monday. Wag mo ganun.
Ay, sorry. Akin na yung mga tali.
Sunday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday.
Nice.
May mirror pa rin nakatingin sa atin, Mama. Saturday, my Sunday. Sunday, your Monday.